Alright guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, type yes in the comment section. You know how this goes. We're gonna wait till more people join the live stream when we have up to 50 to 70 people on the live stream. While we're waiting for people on the live stream, type whatever pair you want analysis or signal on for. So far we're gonna do analysis and signal on USDJPY, EURUSD, and gold. Okay, if you have any more pair, put that in the comment section. Once we have up to 50 to 70 people on the live stream, then we will begin with our analysis. All right, guys. So we have more people in the live stream. Someone says, hello, Fred Chooks. Hello, Traders Kingdom. Hello, JP. Hello, Falsco. Someone says, can I still enter, sell in gold or better weight? We will do analysis on some pairs, USDJPY, EURUSD. I'll add GBPUSD to the list now. Once we are done doing all this analysis, then we'll go to gold, okay? Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, put yes in the comment section. Okay, so I know if you can hear me. Type yes in the comment section. Type yes in the comment section if you can hear me. Okay. Is the music too loud? I think I can't see some people's comments. Hello, Sami Machaka. Hello, Xavier Lahera. Hello, Pros. Someone says, I think gold will open on Monday with huge gap. If it's going to open on Monday with a huge gap, it will be very easy to tell where it's going to go. Hello, it's Jackson TV. Good day, everyone from South Africa. Saw the hedge on the 21K account. Awesome stuff. You started with $250 challenge. No, I started with 2,500. Okay. All right, guys. Like I said, if you can hear me, type yes in the comment section before I start. Also, type whatever pair you want analysis for in the comment section. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? I don't think you guys can hear me. Hello, hello. Can you type yes in the comment section if you hear me? Okay, Vihanti. Hello. Okay, you guys can hear me. All right, so far on our list, we have USDJPY, we have EURUSD, and we have GBPUSD, and we have gold. Okay, if you have any other pair you want analysis from or signal from, type that in the comment section and we'll add that to the list. Okay, don't come in later and say, oh, you're adding this one last minute. Okay, add it now and I'll put it in the comment section. Someone says XRP. Okay, you know what I'll do? I'll put Bitcoin instead. Okay. Someone says GBPJPY. All right, we'll do GBPJPY after USDJPY. Someone says AUD card. Okay, we'll add AUD card after GBPJPY. Someone says, I have been asking for a while AUD card. Okay. Are you the one that has issues with your account on AUD card? Or was it USD card? I can't even remember. All right, let's begin. All right, guys, so we're going to start with Let's see what's first on the list. USDJPY. Guys, can you type USDJPY so you give me the energy to do the analysis on USDJPY? Type USDJPY, USDJPY, USDJPY. Flood the comment section with USDJPY. So I have the energy to do analysis on USDJPY. Type USDJPY, guys. Flood the comments with USDJPY. Flood the comments with USDJPY. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. All right, USDJPY, USDJPY. Not only one person. I'm seeing it's only 1 or 2 or 3 people that are typing USDJPY. Everyone type USDJPY, USDJPY, USDJPY. Some people don't want to type USDJPY. Is it because you don't like USDJPY or you just don't want to type USDJPY? USDJPY, type USDJPY, guys. Alright, good. We've gotten more comments for USDJPY. Someone says, I have your software for MetaTrader. You have it for TradingView. Yes. The software for TradingView is going to be coming out guaranteed. 150% guaranteed is coming out before the end of this month. Okay. So even when I'm doing my analysis, you'll be seeing it on the charts. Okay. I've been trying to do it for a long time, make sure everything is correct, but guaranteed at the end of this month, the software for TradingView will be out at the end of this month. Okay. Someone says, when is the $250 challenge starting now that the 2,500 challenge was completed? Just join my Telegram group. I'll be making updates on my Telegram group and my YouTube community area also. Okay, I'll announce today. Hold on. Wow. Someone says, yes, let's go. I'm going to purchase. Someone says the ones that become your student before the end of the month can also get a version of the TradingView software. If you want to become my student before the end of the month, you have to specify what you want the software for. Okay. If you want it for TradingView, tell me. Right? If you want to buy the course, you can go to nlfxandcrypto.com. The software comes free with the course. Okay, but if you want the software specifically for TradingView, tell me, right? And then you have it for TradingView. It's just like that. Someone says, cool, I am in there already, hence I see the hedges executed in real time. You are truly a genius. Thank you. Now let's move on straight to the charts. Let's look at USDJPY. I was talking about USDJPY breaking this high, and then we can see it go long. It's still somewhat consolidating, and I'm sure it's because of NFP today. If I see it break the lows right here, I still have my short bias all the way down to 130. Okay, we're having some kind of consolidation going on here, and it needs to escape this zone. So if it escapes this zone, we're going long. It escapes this zone, we're going short. If you wanted to take a trade, it would be something like this. Okay, how much would we be risking? I wouldn't take a trade on, I don't know, I wouldn't take a trade just because of NFP, right, on USDJPY. But if this was any other trading period, I'll take this trade as a 4-to-1 ratio trade. You are risking almost about 40 pips trying to gain 155 pips. Okay, my confidence level on this trade, technically speaking, I'll say 90 to 95. I would even say 95 to 100% or 99%. But you have to consider that there is NFP today. Okay, we need it to break this consolidation area, and then we should see it continue to drop. Okay, but we need it to break this consolidation area first. Not much to say on USDJPY. Is obviously showing us that it's consolidating, added with the bank holiday, so we'll see what happens. Okay, not much going on with USDJPY. It's not that complicated. Someone says gold, bro, please. Yes, we have a list. We have USDJPY, then GBPJPY, then AUD cards, then EURUSD, then GBPUSD. Then we will come to gold and then Bitcoin. So you have to wait till we're done with these pairs. Okay, don't worry, we got you. Now let's move on to GBPJPY, which is next on our list. Guys, type GBPJPY in the comment section. Flood the comment section with GBPJPY. Flood it, guys. Flood the comment section with GBPJPY. Give me the energy to be able to do GBPJPY analysis. Come on, guys. Let's go. GBPJPY, flood the comments with GBPJPY. I told you I would do gold. We will do gold. I listed the pairs. Once we are done with the foreign exchange pairs, we will do gold. Don't worry about it. If you're a student or you purchase the software, you will have an instruction guide on how to use it. Don't worry. For the fact that you have access to the software, that means you should have already gotten an instruction guide on how to use it. Okay, so it will come with that. Boom. All right, guys, type GBPJPY. A little more comments on GBPJPY, and then we'll begin. Guys, type GBPJPY in the comment section. Flood the comment section with GBPJPY. Give me the energy to do the free analysis on GBPJPY. Come on, guys, type GBPJPY in the comment section. GBPJPY, GBPJPY, GBPJPY. All right, let's begin with GBPJPY. You guys are disappointing me with the comments. This reminds me, I gave you guys the opportunity to get free signals. You guys didn't even vote. All I needed was a simple vote. You guys didn't even vote, you know. But you guys always want free things. You don't want to do anything. Even if I say like the video, some of you guys won't like it, but you'll take my free signals. You know, guys, like the video also. Make sure you share. Make sure you click all the notification bells on. Yeah, so let's continue. GBPJPY, yesterday I gave an analysis that this was a good sell zone for GBPJPY. You could sell all the way down to 162 area. And what I told people was that they should be very careful, right? Because we had NFP news today that if during New York session, the market doesn't drop all the way down, right? 5 to 6 hours into New York session, the market doesn't drop all the way down, then you should probably get out of that trade. And that's what happened. Currently, we are sitting in about, let's just say 20 pips profit, right? But the market is still kind of consolidating in this area. We didn't see it drop like we wanted to and we expected to during New York session yesterday. So that's where I'll be very cautious of this kind of trade. If you're in this trade, you have two options. Either you can put your stop at break even because you don't want to really risk much. Today is NFP, guys, which means high risk. Okay, if you're a student, you understand how I always say you should put yourself, you know, in the kind of position I always say you should put yourself. All right, that one should be clear for you. But for those who are not students, those who are just joining, our advice, simply just put your stop at break even, or you can just take some little profit now, or you can just take profit, because as we're getting closer and closer to NFP and this market is not dropping, right, the trade is becoming more and more high risk. Okay, boom boom boom, where are we? What's next on our list? Does anyone have any question for GBPJPY right now before we move on to another pair? The next pair on our list is AUD CAD. Right now, I'm still bearish on GBPJPY. I'm just very cautious of NFP today, non-farm payrolls. Doesn't matter if there's a bank holiday, you know, the non-farm payrolls can still destroy the market. AUD CAD. Someone says they've been asking me for AUD CAD since. I hope they're still here. AUD CAD. I'm just checking it on my software very quickly. AUD CAD is looking kind of bearish. But it's forming some kind of consolidation. 0.905. Let's move on to AUD CAD. AUD CAD is looking kind of bearish. Okay. As we can see, we would expect it to continue going bearish, but like I said, we have NFP today. I'll be looking at this zone. Okay. Even if it breaks this zone, right? The problem is I won't expect it to continue to go long for too long. Okay. If it breaks this zone, I won't expect it to go for too long. It can break this zone and then immediately start dropping all the way. There's not much trade you can take on AUD CAD right now. You just have to look at this 0.905 area. It's very critical. If it doesn't break this zone, it can go all the way down to around, let's say, 0.895. Okay, 0.895. But after that, next week is going to be another brand new week. Okay, this position on AUD card is what can happen only today. Either it breaks this high, then goes just a little bit up to maybe like 0.975 or something. I don't expect much more long movement. Or it doesn't break this high and then continues to drop, right? Between this zone. This is what I can expect for AUD card only for today. Now, next week, we can have a totally new and totally different bias. When you are trading something like AUD card, you have to be following it all the way, because at any point it can change to long, at any point it can change to short. Okay, AUD card is the kind of pair you see here. It was long, then it changed to short, and at this point it's looking to change to long again. Overall, you know, it might just be in a big consolidation. If you look at it like from here, or even from here, we've been in some kind of big consolidation on AUD card, so it can even go all the way up to here, all right, and then drop all the way down. So you just have to follow it up step by step, stage by stage. So far I don't see any real position on AUD card. Maybe you can try to sell, but it's very short term. It's very short term. Someone says, is it a sell? Is it a sell on what? What are you talking about? Let's go to, I don't even think the AUD card guy is there anymore. Now let's go to Euro USD. Guys, type Euro USD in the comment section. Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. Give me the energy to do Euro USD. Type Euro USD in the comment section. Come on, guys, let's go. Alright guys, we've had people typing Euro USD. I see someone says, is this a girl? We don't usually have girls on our streams. Okay, that's not a girl. When are we going to start having girls on our streams, guys? Okay, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. Okay, AUD card. Was it AUD card? I keep forgetting that pair. Okay, yeah, AUD card guys here. Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro. All right, guys, let's go with Euro USD. Now, yesterday I gave you guys an analysis on Euro USD. I told you guys that there was a buy opportunity around here, and we needed it to break this high for us to have, like, because my confidence, my confidence level on that trade was around 90 to 95%. It broke the high, which I told you guys, if it breaks that high, we can expect my confidence level on that trade to go from 95% to from 90 to 95% to around 95 to 99%. All right, and yeah, from what we can see, it broke that high, but It then broke, came below that high again, and now he's trying to break that high again. So my confidence level on this trade has gone back from 95 to 99% back to 90 to 95%. We need to see it break this high again. Okay, if it breaks this high, I'll advise you guys to take some profits, move your stop to break even. Okay, even now you can move your stop to break even. If you took this trade, the trade climbed, rose up to around 30 pips. Now it's back to around over 10 pips. If you didn't take some profit around then, you should probably move your stop to break even and let this trade continue to run. I have no bias on this trade right now. It's just continue to run. The best time to have entered this trade was yesterday. If you were in this trade, just continue to hold your trade long, probably move your stop to break even, and let's see how it plays out during NFP. Then you have nothing to risk. My bias is still long for now, and let's see how it plays out. Now we have to move on to GBP/USD. But before we move on to GBP/USD, are there any final questions for EURUSD so far? Ah, someone says they're a girl here. Okay, that's the first girl we're having on the channel. Guys, let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Soon we'll be having more girls, hopefully. Let's see. All right, guys, we're moving on to GBP/USD. I think you guys have no question on EURUSD for now. Yeah, we're on GBP/USD, guys. Type GBP/USD in the comment section. Flood the comment section with GBP/USD so that we can start doing analysis on GBP/USD. Give me the energy to work on GBP/USD. GBP/USD, guys. Type it in the comment section. GBP/USD, 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 GBP/USD. More comments on GBP/USD, guys. Type GBP/USD. Even if you don't care about GBP/USD, we still have gold, we still have Bitcoin. Just type GBP/USD. Just type GBP/USD. Even if it's not your peer, just type GBP/USD for the others. I don't know if you guys can do it. Type GBP/USD, guys. GBP/USD, GBP/USD, GBP/USD. All right, someone says, how many days did you spend growing the 2,500 to 20K? The playlist, you can check the playlist. I really can't remember. Let me just put that. Let me put the playlist in the comment section. You can watch it from the beginning. I think it took me about 2 or 3 months. 2 or 3 months. Yeah. Yeah, so I just dropped the playlist for the 2,500 to over 20K challenge I did. Someone is Nicodem Player. Are you a girl? Are you the second girl we have on our stream? Let's see. Because we're flooded with so many guys. We have one girl so far. Someone says, did you stop on 20k or 50k? I stopped around 21k. Let me show you guys. Just 1 minute. I'll share my screenshot. I'll show you guys. One minute. Let me share my screen. All right, so yeah, this is the account that I was trading that I took from 2,500 to 21,000. So I made the last trade I made was a hedge. I hedged out this trade. Okay, I made about $300 from that hedge. Then I made a withdrawal. I made a 15,000 withdrawal. Okay, I made a 15,000 withdrawal, and yeah, that's the last I did on that account. Nicodem player says, I'm not a girl, bro. So we still have only one girl. Guys, we have so many guys here. So yeah, I think it took me 2 to 3 months. Yeah. You said you sent me a message on WhatsApp. Yeah, I'll reply your message. Any messages you guys send to me, I'll probably reply it after the end of the stream. So yeah, I stopped. So I'm doing a new challenge. I'll start with $250 instead. Someone says, how do you size your lot size allocation according to your account volume? That's what I teach. It's part of my course. I have a specific formula. From the formula, you put your account size, you put all the information for every single trade you take, right? Whether it's a swing trade, scalp trade, hedging, you can use that formula to decide what lot size you should use. Okay, so I teach this when you buy the course, which you can get at NFX and crypto.com, and I show it with live examples, live swing trades, live scalp trades, live hedging. And yeah, this is what I teach my students, so I don't put that on YouTube. All right, guys, so we've gotten so many comments on GBPUSD, so let's begin. GBPUSD, I'm looking at it as bearish so far. But so far today, it has been in a consolidation. Remember the last analysis I gave? I told you guys that if it doesn't break this high, we will see it drop. And it didn't break that high, right? It did a spike, tried to break it, did another spike, tried to break it, but eventually it went short. Now, I was looking at it that if it continues to go short and then breaks this low, we might see it continue to go short. And what happened? It broke this low, pulled back a little bit, and then went down short again. My bias is still short on GBPUSD, and if it continues to go short, I can expect it to drop all the way down to 1.235 around here, right? If the market continues to play like this, I expect it to go down to 1.235. However, because today is NFP and anything can happen, if we see a break of let's say 1. Okay, yeah, still this point, right? Throughout next week, we will continue to see GBPUSD continue to go bullish, and it can go all the way up to 1.26. Yeah, 1.26. So for now, I wouldn't say there are any good opportunities for buy or sell on GBPUSD because of NFP. If I wasn't looking at it based on NFP, you could take a sell position. Let me see, how much would you be risking? Oh, you're risking too much. How much would you be targeting? It's not worth it. It's probably going to even give you less than a 2-to-1 ratio trade. If you're already on a trade on GBPUSD, my bias right now is short. Okay, NFP can make it go anywhere, but I expect it to continue to go short as of now. We'll see how it plays out. There are no trades on GBPUSD as of now. Okay, whoever asked about GBPUSD, right? Are you in a trade on GBPUSD? Tell me what's going on with your GBPUSD trade so that I can know how to advise you. Yeah, The only girl in our group so far said we need more girls in here. Yes, we do. Guys, invite your female friends. There are too many guys here. Even the one using the girl picture is a guy. Can you imagine? All right, guys. So what's next on our list? Gold, 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 guys. Gold, 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 gold. Guys, flood the comment section with gold. Flood the comment section with gold. Give me the energy to do gold. Gold is what everyone has been requesting. Let's type gold in the comment section. Let's focus on gold. Gold, 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 baby. Gold so far is bearish, okay? What we need to look out for is, remember guys, yesterday I told you guys, gold is stuck in this consolidation zone. Either it breaks this consolidation zone and continues to go long, or it breaks this consolidation and continues to go short. So far, it broke this large consolidation and it is looking very, very short. We can expect it to drop all the way down to 1985, as we've done it, the analysis yesterday already. We've already done all this. We said if it breaks this low, first of all, it was this low around 220, right? It broke this low. We said it can go all the way down to 210. It got to 210. I said no, actually first of all we had this 220. It broke this 220. I said it's going to go bearish all the way down to 1985. Then we realized that it was stuck in this consolidation zone, so we needed to see if it was going to break this consolidation zone here or consolidation zone at the low here. It did break the consolidation zone at the low, so our confidence level of moving more and more to 1985 is looking more and more sure. But guys, remember that about this BRICS nation stuff, they are trying to, so many countries are trying to get rid of the dollar, which is a fundamental, but I always go with technicals first, right? Technically speaking, we should be heading for 1985. Fundamentally speaking, I expect gold to continue to go long. I'm currently in a gold trade right now. I'm still holding my gold trade long, but if it continues to go short, I'll probably have to close that trade fully. I'll probably do that on the live stream live also. Oh yeah, I made some withdrawals on the account also. I'll upload that very soon. I'll upload it on my YouTube story page. Okay, I usually upload most of my withdrawals on my YouTube story page. Should I be uploading the withdrawals I make as videos, or should I just keep it as stories? You know, I'm not really sure yet. Yeah. So what we need to look at is also this 2020. It's still very important, because if NFP decides to break this 2020, my long-term goal of reaching 2000 and let's just say, in fact, not just 2000, it can go all the way to 2016, right? If it breaks this high, this 2020, I can expect it to go all the way to 2000 and even 70, right? But if it can't break this 2020 high again with NFP, we can expect it to continue to go all the way down to 1985. Now, is there any trade opportunity on gold right now? I can only see like a 2-to-1 ratio trade. If you take a sell right now, you'd probably be risking over 100 pips. Why isn't this working? Risking over 100 pips. You put it at the high of today, setting our target for 1985. It's not even up to 2-to-1 ratio. So I wouldn't say there's any trade on gold right now. If it, however, breaks this 2020, I promise you there will be a lot of opportunities to take buys on gold. So we need to see what happens with NFP. After NFP, we're going to see what happens after NFP news comes out. We're going to see if it breaks this 2020 high, right? Forget about this consolidation, right? This consolidation zone doesn't matter again. It has broken the low, so this consolidation zone doesn't matter again. It's no longer viable, right? What we need to focus on is this break of 2020 high, or if the market is going to continue to go down to 1985. Someone said, I saw that $15K first. I don't know what you're talking about. Are you talking about the withdrawal? Someone says, in your course, do you teach both scalping? Yes, I teach scalping, swing trade, and hedging. Sometimes when people ask me questions, I realize they don't. When you go to the website, when you click on any course, right, there's like a whole 500-word explanation on how the course works, how the software works, how everything works. But most people don't even click the course to find out. When you click the course, it explains it in full details, how the course will be taught, what you are going to be taught in the course, how long it's going to take. It's going to tell you about the software, what the software does, every single thing. Someone says, story is fine too, because I watch all your stories as well. Okay, I'll continue to upload it as stories. Someone says, withdraw video separately. I don't know what you mean by that. What do you mean by withdraw video separately? Are you saying I don't know. I actually don't know what that means. Someone says, after I purchase the course, could I get access to take live swing trade with you? Because your swing profits are insane, bro. E.g., swing trading is not that hard. Swing trading is not that hard. It's not that hard. So you said, could I get access to take live swing trade? Yes, you can. Someone says yes to withdrawal video. Okay, you mean you saw that withdrawal video first? Okay. Someone said, scalping is hard. I don't know what that means. Scalping is hard. Someone says, gold, how far? I don't know what you mean. Probably you just joined the live stream. So yeah, there's no viable trade on gold right now. It's less than 2-to-1 ratio. I wouldn't advise you to take a 2-to-1 trade. Anything less than 3-to-1 ratio, me personally speaking, I don't take it, because I can simply just go to another peer and find something better. Okay, right now my bias on gold is bearish. It can drop all the way to 1985, but if NFP happens to break this 2020, that means we're going to have a lot of opportunities next week to take buys on gold, right? We're going to have a lot of. Today is a bank holiday. I don't expect the market to continue to move. That's like how exactly they wanted it. They probably want to use NFP to take their buys. Remember what I was saying, guys, that if you took a trade from this point, that you are stuck. Okay, they're not going to give you the opportunity to escape from that trade, because they want every pair to be consolidating. They are accumulating trades. People will be taking buys, people will be taking sells. Then from there, they will decide, are there too many people taking buys? Then the NFP will go as a sell. Are there too many people taking sells? Then the NFP will go as a buy. They are trying to make more people lose than more people win, right? Because a few days ago, the market went bullish. A lot of people would have taken buys. The market went bullish again. A lot of people would have taken buys. Then it went a little bit extra. A lot of people would have taken buys. So now, so many people have taken buys. They've placed their stop loss. They now started deciding to go short. Started deciding to go short. Little by little, little by little. So if you were in a buy trade, you are stuck. Okay, which is what they wanted. Now they have people who are buying. They have people who are selling. Right? They are accumulating trades. They are accumulating trades. They are accumulating trades. Now, When it's time for them to use NFP, because they can use NFP to actually manipulate and do whatever they want in the market. The market makers cannot do whatever they want. They don't have the ability to do whatever they want because they will destroy the world's economy, right? But when they have things like news, when they have events like this, they can do whatever they want, right? So they are going to use this opportunity. Look at how many people are taking buys. Look at how many people are taking sells, and that's what is going to determine what direction they are going to move into. If too many people are taking buys, expect it to spike all the way down to around 1985. If too many people are taking sells, they will break this 2020 and spike all the way up, right? They won't give you any opportunity to take any trade. If you want to take a gamble, you can place a buy order at the high of here. If it gets triggered, you just continue to ride long. But I wouldn't advise to do that. That's taking a gamble, right? Let's see. So for me, I would wait till 2020 breaks. Once 2020 breaks, then next week I'll be live here with you guys again, and we'll be looking for more buy opportunities on gold. So we are done with most of the pairs so far. Someone asked for XRP. Is the person who asked for XRP still here? Someone says, okay. Yes, the withdrawal. It said the scalping is hard. I haven't used it on your software yet. I can't remember how you told me to do it. So you forgot how to scalp using my system, and you said it's hard. You just forgot how to use it. Why did you forget how to use it? So why didn't you come for a refresher? Or and the software tells you how to scalp. I don't understand how you forgot. On the software, it shows you when and where to scalp. Unless you are not using the software also. Okay, you said you haven't used it on the software. So you are not using it, so obviously you will forget. You are not using the software, you are not, so you forget. You said you took notes and you can't find your notes. So you took notes and you can't find your notes. Okay, someone says, well done, bro. Someone says, so true. Your swing trades are insane. I want to be your first girl student on this channel. You're not my first female student, unfortunately. You know. Well, I have had very, very few students. It's mostly guys. Okay, so the person who said they want XRP is here. I'm not going to do XRP. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do Bitcoin. And from my Bitcoin analysis, you should put that into your XRP. Because at the end of the day, all of these pairs follow Bitcoin. So it's better for you to know what is happening in... I have a whole totally different course for crypto, right? A totally different course for crypto. I can't begin to break everything down because it's going to take me about 1 hour to explain everything to you here. But what I can say is follow the what is happening in Bitcoin for now with whatever you're looking at on XRP. Okay, so Bitcoin, let's see. Bitcoin is kind of consolidating. It's kind of consolidating. As you can see, it's been consolidating in this area between 28,000 and 27,500. Okay. Long term, I think Bitcoin might be on a bullish trend, right? It might be back on a bullish trend. So what we need to see is most likely a break above 28,000. Okay. A continuous break above 28,000 around these highs here. But what is most important is we need to escape this consolidation zone. If you see price escape this consolidation zone, guys, I'm telling you the bull trend might be back. Okay, we've already seen a very huge spike all the way down from 20,000. We had this sharp spike, we had another sharp spike, we had another sharp spike. If these are not signs of you to let you know that little by little, slowly, secretly, the market has been going bullish because we haven't seen any bearish move, right? From the moment it touched 20,000, we haven't seen any more bearish moves. We've been seeing bullish moves, bullish moves, bullish moves as spikes, bullish moves, bullish moves. Here we're seeing some consolidation. What I would expect again is another spike, bullish move, breaking this consolidation. We can see it go all the way to 30,000, then 35,000 next. Okay, so we can see that the market is secretly, quietly having bullish moves. When was this? This was in the end of March, right? All this happened in less than 2 weeks. All this happened in less than 2 weeks. So quietly, the market has been going bullish. We've not been hearing people talking about crypto for a long time. So all the fake crypto people, all the people who were in crypto just to make money, quick money, they are gone. Now the market is a bit stable and it's been secretly going long. You might want to start investing little by little into your crypto. Okay, that means XRP should be going up. That means other coins should be going up. Okay, however, if we can't see it being sustainable in this consolidation, we can see a drop below 27,500. We might be back in that bearish trend. So just be very cautious of this consolidation zone. Someone says, I'm going to pay for the session now. Okay. Someone says, can't wait for NFP with you. It's going to be crazy. I'm ending the live stream after this. I'll be ending it in about, let's see, the next 5 minutes. I can come back after NFP if you want, or during NFP. I don't know. Let me know. Someone said, is Mugan Markets the new recommended broker? Yes, you guys should use Mugan Markets. All right. I wanted to do a new challenge. And if you watch my previous video, there was a video I made with a student where we were scalping the market, right? And in that video, if you noticed, my take profit was hit like 2 or 3 times, but because of spreads, I wasn't able to take my profit. So I was looking through different brokers because I needed 0 spreads and I needed good leverage, and I needed something that once I hit my take profits, I can get my money instead of being, you know, the spreads affecting my, because it hit take profits, but what didn't allow my take profit to be taken was spreads, right? So I don't want that happening, especially if I'm going to be doing a $250 challenge and I'm trying to take my trades and it's not hitting take profits, even though it got to take profit points. I don't want that anymore, right? So I want to hit my take profit and continue to move on to my next trade. So that's why I moved to Mugan Markets. I tested so many brokers, and when I tested with Mugan Markets, it was good. They have like 3 different types of ECN accounts, so that's very good for me. I deposited 35,000 in 2 accounts. I made some withdrawals. I deposited my $250. My $250 account is ready also. So yeah, I'll drop a link to join them. You can use that link to join Mugan Markets. Someone says absolutely all follow Bitcoin. Yes, they all follow Bitcoin, unfortunately. But people are trying to do something so that they can be split from Bitcoin. So do you have an appointment today? I'm going to buy the session now. Today I'm free. You can get the session now if you want to. If you want to buy the course, if you want to have a session with me, you can go to nlfxandcrypto.com. So just get the session and let me know. I'll let you know I should be available after this live stream. Someone says I'll join the family. Welcome to the family. It will keep going up. It's only here to consolidate. Yes, I believe we're in a bullish trend. Okay, just that most people are not paying attention to it because they probably lost money when the Bitcoin was around 60 something thousand. I remember when it was 60 something thousand on this channel. I kept on telling people the market is bearish, the market is bearish. People insulted me, people cursed at me, people were just calling me names. I told people, I remember, if you were here on this channel for a long time, I told people, sell Bitcoin, Bitcoin is over, Bitcoin is over, take your profit. People were just insulting me and cursing me. Now, and I remember when Bitcoin was in 14,000, I told people, buy. I have a playlist for Bitcoin. You can go back and check. From years ago, I told people to buy Bitcoin 4,000, 10,000, 12,000. They didn't listen then. They now started buying when it was 50,000 and 60,000. Can you imagine? And when it was 50,000 and 60,000, I told them to sell. I put everything is recorded. Everything is in the Bitcoin playlist. It's somewhere on my channel. You can go watch it yourself. So people don't listen until it's probably too late. Some people, they have money in their accounts. I tell them, get the course. It's better for you to be doing the right thing. Some people will rather lose 10,000, 10 times the amount of the course before they finally get the course. So they rather lose probably 10,000, 5,000, 2,000. What's the point of, if you want to do it yourself, you want the market to teach you a lesson, the market to charge 10 times, 100 times whatever you're going to pay me for a course, and you probably won't still learn anything. So someone says, I'm waiting for Mega Markets KYC approval. Just wrote them an email. All right, guys. So we are done with the peers for today. We're done with analysis. We'll probably meet on Monday again. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you join the Telegram group. I'm going to post an update on the free signal group. You guys didn't vote, which is kind of disappointing. We didn't get as many votes as I wanted for me to do free signals. So I'm going to do something else so that you guys can participate in the free signals also. All right, guys. So I'm going to post that in the YouTube community section, and I'm going to post that in the Telegram group after this live stream. Like, share, and subscribe. We have, like, let me see, less than 2 more minutes in this live stream. If you have any last minute questions, you can just put that in the comment section. If not, we'll be ending this live stream till next time. This is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLF